Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we uncover the best products on the market to make your life easier.
Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a product that's been making waves for its effectiveness in combating dry, sensitive skin. O'Keeffe's Working Hands Night Treatment Hand Cream. If you struggle with extremely dry, cracked hands, you're not alone. But fear not, because O'Keeffe's Working Hands Night Treatment Hand Cream is here to provide overnight relief like no other. This isn't your ordinary hand cream, it's a calming yet intense formula designed to restore moisture while you sleep. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the immediate soothing effects of this cream. One satisfied user describes it as a miracle moisturizer that takes years off their hands. Another praises its ability to heal cracked cuticles and painful splits in just a few days.
It's hypoallergenic and safe for sensitive skin, including those with diabetes.
Applying this cream is a breeze.
Simply start with a small amount before bedtime, and let it work its magic overnight. Wake up to softer, smoother hands without any greasy residue.
You can find O'Keeffe's Working Hands Night Treatment Hand Cream on Amazon,
where it's received rave reviews from thousands of satisfied customers.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use a little extra TLC for their hands. Until next time, stay moisturized.